we will see the type of graphical model, that is undirected graphical model. As its name implies, it's undirected, means the edges are not having any direction. So an undirected graph is one in which edges are not having any orientation. So suppose the edges AB is identical to the edges BA, that is, they are not ordered pairs but sets of vertices, means edges of AB are identical to edges of BA, that is nothing but the vertices. Then they are not the ordered pairs but they are only the set of vertices. So we can say that the largest number of edges in an undirected graph without self loop is n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Now what is self loop? That suppose we have these particular nodes A and B, and this particular A is related to itself, then we used to say it as self loop. So the number of edges, the largest number of edges in the undirected graph without this self loop is n into n minus 1 divided by 2. So the graph G is indirect if we are having the vertices AB, that is having the edge, with vertices BA, that is also having the edge. So generally these ordered pairs are represented only by the undirected edge, and the undirected graphical models are also called as Markov networks. So the Markov random field known as Markov network is a model that is based on this undirected graph. These models are useful in modeling the variety of phenomena, means where we cannot describe the directionality, we are not providing the directionality, that means we cannot assume how the interaction is going in between the variables. So the undirected models also offer the different and simple perspective on the directed models, so both in terms of independent structure and the inference task. So the MRF is undirected conditional independence graph of a probability distribution. So suppose we are having graph that is collection of vertices and edges, and the vertices set V contains 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the edge set that connects these vertices with each other, then that is called as the undirected graph. So we will see some terminologies that are related to undirected graph. The first one is the adjacent node. So suppose we are having node B which belongs to the vertices set V. So node B is adjacent to node A, which also part of vertices set V, or a neighbor of A, if and only if there is an edge between AB belongs to A. Means if any particular edge is connecting these vertices A and B, then we can say that the two nodes are adjacent. So the two nodes are adjacent if they share the common edge, in which case the common edge is joining the two vertices. Means we can also say that the two endpoints of an edge are nothing but adjacent nodes because they are next to each other. Then the second terminology is set of neighbors. The set of neighbors of A is like neighbors A is equal to B belongs to V. Means AB are connected by the same edge and both are the vertices of set V. Means the set neighbors is sometimes called as boundary of A because the edges are connecting that vertices with each other. Then the third one is degree of node. So degree of node is nothing but the edges that are incident on that particular node is called as degree of node. Means the edges that are connecting to that particular node is nothing but degree of that particular node. So closure of node is the next terminology. Boundary of A together with A is nothing but closure of A. Means we are considering the boundary of A including the vertex A itself is nothing but closure of A. So we can say that the closure of A is nothing but union of neighbors of A and A. Then the next terminology is connected nodes. So two distinct nodes that are AB belongs to V are called as connected if and only if there exists the sequence of distinct nodes, which is nothing but the path that is connecting that nodes. Then the next terminology is tree. So it is the graph in which the circuit is not there, means it is the representation of graph where we are connecting the nodes by exactly one path. Then the term comes subgraph. So subgraph is nothing but subset of graph where few number of vertices and edges are present from the main graph. Then comes the complete graph. So complete graph is the graph in which each and every vertex is connected with each and every another vertex. Then we can say that that is a complete graph. And the last terminology is silic. So silic in a graph is nothing but set of adjacent vertices. We have seen the adjacent vertices. So silic is nothing but set of pairwise adjacent vertices. So any subgraph induced by silic is a complete subgraph. So silic is maximal if and only if it is not a subgraph. Silic can have more number of nodes. So these are the few terminologies that are related to undirected graphical model. In our next section, we will see the another type of graphical model, that is the directed graphical model. Thank you.